Here we have the rose golden wedding, and here's some tomatoes flowering. Gardener's delight. And with some geraniums. On the left here is Madame something, and then this, the red one is chocolate, and then the pansies are yellow purple wing. And we've got some pelargonium bi-colour, another purple wing, another pelargonium in red, some more pansies, purple wing and violet and white. Then we got another geranium, a fancy leaf geranium called Vancouver Centennial, one of my favourite plants. Another geranium, and then this lovely semi-double geranium, light pink, but I don't know the name. Then some more pelargoniums. Some more pelargoniums down below, and still more, and then a trough full of pansies and a variegated geranium. And we got here we've got carnation, more pelargoniums, more carnations, a lovely variegated geranium called Black Prince. There's a lovely geranium here, very lovely golden leaves, lovely red flowers. Here's another one, another pelargonium, bi-colour, and then a geranium I like for its leaves. It's a salmon pink flowers. And some more geraniums down here. Then there's two sedums, variegated sedums. And we've got schemia there that produce berries. Fuchsia. A geranium hidden down there somewhere. Some more plants, some more fuchsias, and yet more fuchsias. That's it, that geranium I like so much again with the golden leaves. And then more pelargoniums and the geranium. Then this rose called Masquerade. The flowers change as it gets older. The flowers become red and white, red and pale white. Then there's this plant, I've forgotten its name. And then we've got a hanging basket with begonias beginning to flower. A bit bruised by the wind. And then some more pelargoniums, some more begonia dragon wings. They're lovely, lots of lovely flowers. There's another one there, bright green leaves that supposed to represent dragon wings. And then we've got colour lily here. The colour lily has very dark purple flowers. And at the back there's no flowers, but at the back there's a clivia. Then we have a fuchsia here, which I'm training to be a standard. And then lots of geranium seedlings, none of which have flowered yet, but one or two have got buds. And down below here we've got some more geraniums, and this white stock that my son Jonathan gave me. And then we've got some lovely fuchsias up here. Beacon, these are all beacon. And then down below here we've got standard I made up of fuchsia garden news. And then we've got some more geranium cuttings down here. They're very nicely. And lots of bottles of water to water the balcony. And then here we've got my memory, rosemary, that's right. Some more fuchsia beacon. Oh, lovely flowers. There's some more geranium seedlings. Again, they haven't flowered yet. Then this lovely geranium, this lovely variegated geranium, Madame something. Can't remember the rest of her name. Then we've got this mint flower, this mint plant that's growing. There's lots more fuchsias. That's look at the balcony. The last video of this balcony. Hanging baskets can't be seen very well from inside. That looked terrible video from the inside. And that's the last one.